Yeah. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are. Good. Happy Sunday to everyone out there. Right. We are live in Manchester. We're already in Manchester City. Wow, I'm just short of voice. I'm kind of sad that today is the last. That's it, the road trip concert. Today's the last day. Sad that we are ending the show today. After today, that's it. I want to use this video to thank everyone that have been supportive, that have been following us, especially our Facebook fans, Facebook followers. I say love you guys. We're already in Manchester. We are here for you guys. Turn up, turn out for us today, please. We just 20 minutes to the venue. It has been a very busy week, busy month. According to someone said September to remember. This September to remember. We love you guys. Right, I've got the guys. The guys is here. Look at them. And I just want you guys to wave. To wave. And today, our last trip, our last show for the month. Not for the season. We'll continue this December in Nigeria as well. So it's our last concert for story concert for the year, and after today going back to London tomorrow for some of them to fly back to Nigeria, and the last set will leave on Tuesday, which is next tomorrow. It's sad in my heart that that family, I won't be busy anymore. I won't be on the road again for 8, 5, 7 hours. All the same, we'll continue where we stop. Yeah, I love you guys. Happy Sunday to you. Right, before I continue thanking everyone, I just want all the guys to say hello to our fans. Yes,
hello. I greet you. Thank you for everything. Thank you. I want to greet to my brother who's okay.
Hello fans, thank you for your support. Thank you. Please turn up for us today in Manchester. Love you guys. Move to Manchester.
Yeah, so we don't do Manchester like this. So all the guys will chest out. We're gonna call Manchester. So all the guys with the Manchester will chest out. Call your sister. We're gonna call Manchester because story crew, they're all in the house. Today is gonna be fire, and I make everybody come out, come flex, enjoy, vibe along with good music. Beko Day, Jakisula Day, Uyi Day, Soken Day, Jolly, everybody, Alaska. You know, we're all ready, fully ready. So make everybody come out. Like I said before, all the guests with chest out. All the guests with chest out, come to Manchester out. Come with your sister to come flex out because we're gonna be going out soon. Yeah, let me pass it to Beko.
Yeah, it's your boy Beko. Our fans all over the world, I want to say thank you once again. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you, people of Birmingham. Thank you, all the people in London, all the guys, wonderful guys at stock. What do you call it? Glasgow. I want to say to you, thank you. We are on our way to perform the last show in Manchester. This is the last show. My guys are going back to Nigeria. It saddens my heart, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So I love you. I want to say thank you once again. God bless you. As I pass it to my brother, Uyi.
Yeah. All the beautiful fans, all my beautiful fans here in Manchester. Touchdown in Manchester today. The story concert tour. I wish to see you guys up today. Please, you guys should come and come join us tonight. You know, we can't wait to see you. Thank you all for all you've done for us in Glasgow, Birmingham City, London, and Leeds yesterday. But today is the final day in Manchester. I trust you all Manchester people. You guys should come out and come join us. Well, I talk by you. Oba talk by you. You say.
Yeah, my people. Yeah, the last show for UK. We are now heading to Manchester. The last show. No more that show again. Thank you very much. Please turn up.
There will be after.
Oh. You don't anymore say. No, I just want to add some English to it, you know. Alone. Yeah, we don't anymore say. What I always say for your support and me and why okay I'm just very I'm grateful to you all. Why I always say we came in a real boy Manuwa. We are right here in Manchester. Hey, when we everyone in vocation the last show I see here. Again we are now in Manchester. What the music in my mind since then. Ma wole yala diana be ya phone now. Ah, siak badawu no time now. Oh, they all do me homie. Oh, je all day no da. And now normally it go sweet today now. Yeah, now you said ogbeide, you know what I'm saying? We're right here in Manchester. We just want to shut everything down. There's the last show in Manchester. See. Gosh, man, though I got you all. We're gonna shut today's show down, and it's gonna be great, and you're gonna like it. Just come at Eboezenepa. Well, starting me. Let me use my English now. Yes, please. Let me speak my English. All right. Why is it tall? Please, in Manchester or in Riekbeena. We're maybe my address here and now we are ready. I see Kevane. And now madam, no.
Manchester, I hope you're ready for us tonight. We are on set to give you nice music from yesteryears, most especially from our parents' archives.
In case they don't know.
The Edo stars, Edo sons and daughters of legends, we're right here in Manchester.
Yes, sir.
To give you the best of a kind. We love you, UK. Edo resident in UK, you are loved. Thank you. My own way of saying thank you. Thank you for all the love you showed to us. Thank you.
Jesus.
What have you done?
What more can I say? What more?
You're not speaking English.
No, yeah, Zebo, if you go, I go for me. Oh, I go Zebo. God forbid. But, what more can I say? What more can I say? The love is too much, you know. Manchester United. Who are getting united for? Oh, with Manchester United. You guys are so united. You will unite for us tonight. Yeah, we're coming through. We're coming through, yeah, really. We're coming through, yeah. Because I'm with those sons and daughters, you know, the lions, the tigers of the music. I just have to do this once and for all. Because yeah, we Guasebo, you know.
Don't talk to them. Let them know.
In it, right? Yeah.
Yeah, let them know.
That's fine. That's right. Hey! Wagazebo, Uburukoto.
I know.
I found out Zebo. Me a shot. Oh, working 24 beats. Or the email where Wagazebo come time. Oh, Princess Otto Alile, where you going though? If they were, President, where they go? You cannot say sharpness, not the work.
For English.
Now, ebagua. Oh, bugbe. Ebagua. He shot it. Yeah. So now, I just get to go Manchester now. Since I did UK, I need to speak English. I cannot say the only shots. I balik better than no say. Oh, bad walk by kebe. Right now, wait, I want to go into English, so I just need to bring my voice down. Because I've got, if I say the building, I've got famous Akabur. You know, so, but I need to bring my voice down because we're going to Manchester right now, we're going for a show. Now, please, I have to pass the phone to Bayo Ade Jr., aka the Ajebota of the Bihose. It's not me, please. Yeah, Bayo Ade Jr. is here.
Jẹ́ ká mọ̀ wá ti máa gbọ́ pé Bayo Jr. dé nínú owó nínú ọlá updates.
We don't come Manchester. I the B pass. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere you dey watch us from. Bayo Ade Jr. don't come. The king of microphone. We stand here from Manchester. Gidigba. We come to give them. Ude Zuzu. We don't come. We want to give them music. Musically. We want tumble Manchester. Musically. Manchester, they're not they run for music. They're not they run to spend money. Why? That they chest any beat. That's why they call them Manchester.
They make chest they pay. If you send in Manchester person, the way they chest pin.
They're the chest beat.
Chest
They're
they
the
pay
chest.
Manchester people. They do chest beat.
Manchester, we there here. We there here. We just want to tell you now, say music, we don't bring and come. We don't bring music come. What do you want dance? Any pattern of music where you ready to dance, we're ready to give you. Just request and you go get them straight up. Get one with it. Now she get the song. We'll give you that. Anyone want a request, we'll get them here. Anyone just request, you will get them. Dance away your sorrow.
Mom, we could not hear them, you know. 24 bit, we could not hear you know. Me was able, I'm able, you can make baseball.
So at this time, make I thank all of you now. All the way from Wolverhampton, Birmingham, Glasgow, Leeds, London. Thank you. Now we're in Manchester. We want shot everywhere done. Musically. May not bless say.
You know, say, the last time everywhere shut down was because of coronavirus. So now,
musically, we want shut it down. Make I leave this one for now. They might tell now, miss somebody, tell now, I the B pass. Famous! Come tell them, come show.
Let us give to someone to tell someone.
Yeah, Manchester. We are Cabaret. We remain now. Yes, now. Manchester. Everybody do Manchester as a big CSP. Now I'm Mati de Foyera. More tiring. Manchester was a big CSP. When I fall out, we are Cabaret, don't come. As soon as man stands in the building, Manchester, come and show me love. If you know you love my father, the legendary Akaba man, you know you love influencer Akaba, come and show famous Akaba love. Right here, Manchester, right this. Within Manchester, don't be say, should be mama fly. Confirm. We're right here, Manchester. It's gonna be strictly music tonight. Bomb, everything's gonna be bomb. Famous Akaba, I'm reporting right now. Come on, Manchester, anybody on a day, anybody watching us around the world, greetings to all of you. Famous Akaba, the son of the legendary Iran. I'm here to give you all kinds of Akaba man music. If you notice my playing, I've not been repeating any song. Different tracks. In Akaba man, today I'm going to give you a good track. The first track I'm going to play today is we bazz for bazz. Sure. When I come here, I don't want to sing and finish. When I come at this stage now, maybe me want to come and watch me live and direct. I promise to impress you guys. Promise not to let you guys down. I'm here, live and direct. Watch me out. Watch me. Come and watch me. I mean, in one is so nice. Carry Tamuwasin. You may hear who is sagging ye. You understand? Come and watch me. Fans, we are on a day. Famous Akabadon show. Esunu master. Osara with me no money. Esuriyo no bago boyo. Esunu. There was a little bagel mujanima. I said manal da wepuna. I beg you to fear with you. We must deliver. We love you guys. Everywhere, talking love you. Promise not to let you guys down. One love. Kisses. Manchester, I'm gonna fall out. I don't show.
Oh yeah, now talk to them.
Oh,
don't show your
that's
face.
the best singer.
Okay now, we don't go. May not bless you. We talk too much. Akpakpa, want to talk to.
Yep. Now you've seen the guys. Sorry, driving. I'm also trying to talk to my people. Alright guys, I want to thank you guys for bad behavior. Thank you Manchester, thank you London, Glasgow, Birmingham, Wolverhampton and Leeds. I want to say a big thank you to what you guys have done, your support, your love, the sponsors. Let me start from Birmingham. The sponsors in Birmingham, the Millennium clubs of Birmingham, and in Leeds, Famous B, Glasgow, Gonosa, Aswata, Akesi, Magodos. In fact, the Magodos, I want to say thank you, big thanks to you guys. Mama Gladys to Scotland, to say thank you. In London, I've got loads of supporters and sponsors, Bender Food. I want to say big thank you to you. In fact, I'm going to sit down to write out the names, so I don't want to miss out anyone. Now, I guess you guys already understand what I'm trying to let you guys know. I'm going to settle down to show up a lot of appreciation to you guys, to say thank you. My social media bloggers, I love you all. Thank you guys for what you have been doing. Thank you for your support, your sharing. I really love that. I thank you guys. Yes, but for me to pay you guys, I can't. But I really appreciate you guys for just taking this upon and doing the work. I really appreciate you guys for that. I love you guys, all my social media bloggers, both here in other part of the world. I say a big thank you to you guys. Everybody in Nigeria too, because I was told that not just in Benin, in Port Harcourt, a friend of mine from Port also called me that what is going on here? I look at what is going on in Port Harcourt. I want to say Port Harcourt, big up to you guys. Everybody in Nigeria, I say thank you guys. America, I say thank you guys. Canada, I say thank you guys, because you guys are the one that's giving us that power, strength to do what we are doing. But if you guys don't watch or share or like or encourage us, we won't do this. I want to say a big thank you to you guys. Right, like I said before, everyone in Europe, I say thank you guys. There's one honorable that came from France, and I was amazed to see her when she came. I want to say I really thank you, Honorable Nusara. I forgot, I think I'm since you understand, I'm trying to pronounce your last name, but I know Honorable Nusara for France, Paris. I say a big thank you to you too. And some other people that came from other parts of the world, people that came from Spain. Some people came from Spain, some came from America, Netherlands as well, and Germany too. I also saw some people say they flew from Germany, and from Dublin too. Already came from Dublin as well. I say thank you. People that came from all different parts of UK, I say thank you. We love you. We appreciate what you've been doing, and we appreciate what you're still going to do please, we don't know it all. So everything Mama will say, because I am full. So so let me focus, because if I can't see the whole, then I'm missing my lane. So my mother will continue for where I stop.
Hello Manchester. Wow, we're here for the grand finale. It's a bittersweet moment. We're really excited. Manchester, we want to play with you guys. At the same time, we're feeling a bit sad because this is our last show. It's been an amazing experience. We can't quantify this. I mean, like, I don't know the words to use, like, to say how the whole team, everybody's feeling. It's just been completely awesome. And we're so happy that we could take you guys on this experience with us. Thank you for accepting us, for welcoming them. Thank you for standing by us. We're really, really grateful. Why I always say Manchester so I'm going to take a few questions and answers just before we get to the hall. Obviously, my husband has thanked everybody. Well, not everybody, but the ones he can remember. Why I always say kakabo. Oh my God. Like, it's been something amazing. I mean, social media, you vloggers, why I always say, like, we're so happy. Thank you guys so much. You guys have really done a lot for us. You guys have completely shared these videos. You have broadcast my at all. This is not something we could have ever paid for, because you guys are amazing. The bill would have been long. So thank you guys so much for taking it upon yourself to consistently broadcast it. If you have any questions, then please drop them, because I'm actually going throughout the comments. So someone said, where is Oriri, the son of Osamuel Joseph? So Oriri is currently busy. Unfortunately, he couldn't join us on this tour. But the tour coming next year, we're hoping that he'll be able to make it. And that he's less busy and that he can join us. So that's what it is. So yeah. When will they come back? Okay, so currently they're planning to come back next year. We don't have a date as of yet, but we're hoping it will be in the summer months, because the weather is nice and everybody can wear the clothes they want and come and celebrate. So so that's what we are planning at the moment. What's the other? Please let Sandra come to Germany. I would definitely tell her. I'm sure that she will be very happy to come to Germany. That's for sure. When are we expecting them again in the UK? Okay, so when they come for the world tour, they will definitely maybe in the UK, or they'll finish in the UK while they go to Europe and then America. So that's what we'll do, and that is planned for next year. Okay. Question: why are you so beautiful, B? Love you. Oh, you know that I love you so much. That's my darling, my best friend, Odins. I so love you. You have she's somebody that loves me without question. And guys, please just help me to thank and appreciate this woman. She doesn't just love me, she extends the love to the people that are around me. Like, I am so lucky. I am so blessed, because there's some people money didn't know when it's in Yawa or when Maya think about, they just love you, and she's one person that I know loved me without question, and I'm so grateful for you. Thank you so much, Odins. Thank you so much. Like, I completely love you. Okay. When are you coming to Canada? Okay, so hopefully next year, if they're doing the world tour, Canada is definitely a stop. If we're going to go to America, we cannot not go to Canada. So definitely Canada will be a part of the stop, okay? Mandy, thank you. It really was a perfect show. I mean, it's been just amazing. Toronto, Ontario, very soon, hopefully, absolutely. Thank you, Sandra. Everyone is in uniform today. Yes, we thought we will end it in style. So we're all in uniform for you guys. Are you guys feeling the uniform? Are you feeling the vibes? Do you like it? Let us know. When are you guys coming to America? Again, as part of the tour, America will be a stop. And there you are. Oh, I get it there. Where you are, Timmy? Where's the kakabo? You love you, Egbe. We're so proud of you guys. In fact, I'm proud of my Edo crowd. I've never been so proud to be from the Edo community. I have never been so proud. Why I always say, 24 Beach, you're amazing. Oh, thank you. I know it's difficult to satisfy everybody. So we have tried to go with satisfying the majority. For the ones that we couldn't satisfy, we're so sorry. We're hoping that next year we can, okay? Thank you, Zion. Thank you, SSR. Definitely, hopefully next year. So Victor, Wifles, can you guys flip the Wifles song tonight? We can't because we're celebrating the legends and these are their sons, so they'll be playing majorly their father's son. Hopefully Victor Wifles' wife decides to join us next year, then he'll be playing his father's songs for you. As usual, we'll pay him respect as we normally do. So thank you so much. Are you planning on that shows? Yes, we are. Europe definitely will come to you next year. People who love unconditionally, absolutely, and we're grateful for those. Like you guys just love us. We haven't done anything, and you guys are so like, thank you so much. I love you guys. We are at the hall. Are we there? So we're at the hall. So yeah, are we gonna stop and then come back? No, we're just gonna do, right? Okay, fine. So I'm gonna pass it back. We'll continue the question and answer after this round, okay? Thank you, John. Thank you. Oh, your leg is hurting. Tina, I get a ball away. My finishing. Wow, let me boy veteran one vessel now. I understand. The son of Black Patrick Idausa, definitely. So obviously there's lots of legends. These are the few that we have been able to work with at this present time. So that's to tell you that there's possibly another story coming, right? Because there's a lot. So hopefully we'll be able to capture a lot more. Okay, so I'm going to pass it back for now, and then we'll continue. We love you guys, and we're totally proud of you guys as well.
Yeah. Sorry, guys. You will continue the questions, and she will continue your answers. She will be answering your questions now. I just want to I invite the group or the guys to see this is the building. Here we are at the venue now. I'm going to introduce the guys that have been making the beats. First on my list is Uyiko.
Yeah. Entertainment.
Yeah, Jolly.
Thank you, Jolly Mamayo.
Owen. I've got Beckless. Yeah. Alaska.
Yeah.
The Ozebo.
Hey, the Ozebo one of music.
Ameria Alele. Yeah, I've got them. Bio Abbey.
I'm here, live in Manchester.
Wow.
One tumble Manchester, musical, one turn outside down. We arrange them again.
Yeah, I've got the Jackie, the commander.
All the girls with chest out, come to Manchester. Call your sister, someone will flex out. So we are going out.
Yeah, so the boy on the fence.
He was the one of UK.
Yeah.
Who they breathe?
Now you the breathe, sir.
Soko. Love you all.
Welcome, sir. I've got Sandoka. Do you see that kind of thing? I trust this, yeah. It's the fame.
I want the chest beat and my man there for you. I don't show.
Yes.
Yes, you know, master.
Yes, you
the
know.
son of the legendary Akaba man.
Yeah.
I do damn home. The first track on one play today.
Yeah.
Iwi gba so ba. Very repeating when one book.
Yeah, I've got the. this is beats 24 or 24 beats.
I love you guys. Thank you so much for coming on this journey with us. We
Yeah.
hope you have had amazing fun as much as we've had. And yeah, we're feeling the vibes and we're feeling the love totally. So, the man of the moment, the man of the year, none other than 25. Look at that. Okay, guys, so that was the whole crew. We've literally just touched down. Oh, thank you. I'm glad you like the outfit. We thought we'd do something a little bit different. So I'm glad you guys are liking it. So they're just going to do like their sound check, their normal stuff, and then we'll be back. We're back in a few hours. So stay glued to your screen. And if you're on the way, you can get tickets at the hall, okay? You can pick up tickets at the hall. We're selling. That is really good. So, yes. Oh, I'm sorry, Ken. So, yes. What the tickets, ma here, who understand? Yes. Yeah, I'm so what day? What the devil who I always say, kaka bo. So, Malao. Oh yeah, our cameraman. I think there's good network, so we're able to bring you guys everything, okay?
We might go on YouTube so that there are some people that want to support them with this,
virtually.
And
we'll try both. Be patient with us. Man, I'm not gonna get accident for social media lane, no, because and nobody don't lost your shoe. Put up a leg where. We'll be coming back soon, okay? We love you guys, and we're totally proud of you guys. Thank you so much for standing with us, okay? We'll see you guys soon.
Next 2 hours.
Yeah? Manchester? We'll see you soon.
Bye.
See you soon. See you guys soon. Bye.